Hey, what's up, guys? Pigeon guy here. Just win this. I don't know if that finish is gonna be like that, but yeah, guys, just win this baby yesterday, and here's the other one. Yo, I have a lot of yeah. Here's the other one. I win yesterday. Yeah, guys. See what's happening here. Come on. So this two is like almost time to for them to be win. Like 2 weeks left. 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Some babies, guys. She's still on eggs. Just one egg here. She must lay. She must lay an egg, guys. She must lay. Excuse the witness here because I gave just water. Then I also baby guys. Look there, guys. Come on. There's also one, guys. I don't know why it's still in here again, but yeah. They escape that side and then they come again. So here by the nest. So okay, I need to put out the egg quickly, guys. See here, guys. They come through here. Come through. And then, but here's the hinge. Yet at the further side, that side, is the cocks. Yeah, guys. Oh shoot! There's one egg also there. She laid like Saturday. Saturday. And also for my favorite in. Guys, just a little bit wet here because like I said, I just give them water and stuff like that and food. Also, and yeah, how to chilling. That's a big boy. That's my father calls him 747. Like yeah, he's big. He's a lot. Here's his brother. Yeah. Here's his brother. Here's his brother. Yeah, there's his brother. And here's his cousin. So they're also big guys, like big birds, lots. Like they just wanna fly, man. I love them. I love them. And let's go to the front again. So yeah, guys, I just want to talk about like the breeding plans. Um, I'm gonna like how can I say now? I'm gonna still breed just the section here where I am now. In the other section, I'm split the hens and the cocks and let them rest for 6 months. Then I'm gonna let them breed again. And yeah, but that's not now. That's gonna be like in next year, like June, April, that time. Yeah, they're gonna breed again. So yeah, this group here is gonna breed for me this round. And then if they're done with this round, they're also done. That group is still on a round. So yeah, guys, it's going. We grinding with the pigeons. We grinding. And look there, guys. That's there. Damn. They're only 7 months old and they're peeling up and stuff like that. But yeah, I leave them. I just if the hens lays eggs or what. Yeah, if the hen lays eggs, I throw it away. So yeah, I don't want eggs from a 7-year-old bird yet. So yeah, but it does that just means they're fertile. So yeah, I love that. It's a positive sign. Positive sign. This is a great cock also, guys. that. Oh yeah, guys, there's an egg also. Do you remember, guys? Here was a nest also there, but I moved it till there because here is a problem here, man. Because the babies get a little cold. That's why I got to close the back. You see the back, close the off because the baby gets cold here, man. So I'm going to that side, and yeah, hopefully they will breed out there. But I think they will. Those babies are marvelous, guys. Look at that guy there. Not chasing his in because she must lay, guys. She must lay. She must lay. And yeah, about the young bird team. Here's my young bird team, guys. You see that bird I showed you guys right now, that blue bar cock, that large one, that really good, like large one. Yeah, let's find him quickly. That one right there. That one I'm now gonna show you the baby of them. Yeah, they are down another set of eggs. I'm now gonna show you the baby. The babies, two babies. Yeah, guys, that was the two babies. So just put a clip in there for you guys, and it was the two babies. So yeah, guys, that one I might sell next year. Yeah, I got a buyer, but he don't have his money right now. So next year she's about to go. She's gonna breed for me. Then I'm about to let her go. And yeah, young birds are looking great. Look here, the first round of reds. Damn it, guys. He's a cockbird. So yeah, there's another red here. I have 4 reds, but 5. But like the others are red bars. Like yeah, there's another red. They're siblings, but not the same round. Like the third round and the first round, second round. Give to a good friend of mine. So yeah, he is also birds. There's the baby. There's the baby. Beauty, man. Beauty. Look at that. Beauty. I love babies like that, guys. They are stunning and amazing. In the air. There's the other red. So, yeah, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. I thank you guys for support on the channel, and like thank you for all the subscribers. Yeah, guys, I'm about to make more videos on the birds. Just like it's nice to make videos, guys, and like cherish the moments with the birds. I hope you all agree with that. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching the channel. But the pigeon guy is out. Peace.